Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can cancel order on Doordash app. So first of all, you need to open your Doordash application. Here, you can see I'm logged into my account. You need to make sure that you're logged into yours. After that, you need to go to orders on the bottom bar. So just to show you guys, I'll open up a restaurant, which in this case is McDonald's. Then I'll scroll through and select an item I would like to order. So since it says make 2 required selection, I'll scroll through and select whichever I want. So just scroll through and get done with this step. And once you're done, you need to tap on add item from the bottom. Now go to view cart. From this page, just tap on continue. Over here, you need to go through with the process and put in all your information. And then select if you want standard delivery or express delivery. Once you're done putting these informations in, scroll down and then tap on payment. Here, you'll get to see multiple options that you can choose from. So select the one that you want. For now, I will stick with Google Pay. So once you're done, all you need to do is tap on place order on the bottom of this page. And then your order will be confirmed. After that, if you go to orders from the bottom bar on the home page, you'll get to see all your orders over here. So once you're in orders, you'll get to see your current order right here. So you need to tap on view order. After that, you'll get to see help on the top right corner of this page. So just tap on help and you'll be taken to customer support. And here, you'll get to see multiple options. And one of them would be can I cancel my order? So you need to tap on that option. After that, on the next page, you'll get to see an option that says Chat with Agent on the bottom. Just tap on that option. Then you need to select Cancel Order as the category of this issue. And then you can provide additional details in a text box. For example, I no longer want this food. And then just tap on Chat with Agent. Now, a Doordash agent will start chatting with you. Just talk to them and explain your issue and then they will help you out. So that is the only way you can cancel an order on Doordash app. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.